If you want to know how to trim video on ClipChamp, you've come to the right place. So let's firstly create a new project, and I'm going to export some media inside. And what if we want to interact with, for example, these videos right up here? What if we want to trim them? So basically, the first thing we need to do is just simply add them on our timeline, drag and drop it right up here. And as you can see, now it's on our timeline. So we can zoom in or zoom out in the right side menu right up here. And the options to trim are quite simple. We have two options. Firstly, we can change the duration by simply click on these corners right up here and then just move it to the necessary position. As you can see, we can find the time right up here. So while we are changing the duration, you can see how does it change. And the same thing we can do from the beginning. So we can cut out the beginning of the video and it looks like this. So basically, don't forget to move then everything is done to the start position, for example. So after that, we'll be able to interact with a video. And we have one more instrument which is related to trimming. For example, if you want to cut out the middle part of the video, we can just simply split it right up here. So we can click on this instrument, or we can use the shortcut. As you can see, it's like C. So we can click, and after that, our video will be automatically split into 3 different videos. So all we need to do is just simply place this marker into the necessary position. So right up here, for example, it will be automatically split. So now we can delete, for example, this part here and this part here. And then we need to place this one, just simply drag and drop it right up here. So after that, we can find the trimmed video. We can add some transitions if it's necessary. And now it looks much more interesting. So basically, this is a way of how can we trim videos 2 ways. Trim by corners and trim by split instrument inside. And the same way, as you can see, we can change the duration even for these videos right up here. So this is a way of how can we trim videos on ClipChamp. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.